Hi, I'm Tim Eaton on behalf of Expert Village. So we've got our piece cut, 13 inches, and the next step will be to install it. And basically, anytime you're doing work with 2x4s, fence, unless you're actually replacing fence boards, you want to use a 12D nail. And real easy to find at any store. 12D, also called 12 penny if you're going to ask somebody. And it's a standard 3 1/4 inch nail, just like this. Perfect length for any kind of 2x4 repair. Make sure you get a lot in this board and a lot of nail in the other board. So, real simple. First things first, these boards are loose, but before we can nail these boards on, we have to nail this board on. So what you want to do is just set it in place. And it's going to take you one good hand to hold it, so it's going to be hard to nail. So what I recommend is put it on the ground in front of you, grab yourself a nail, 2 nails, and just put it in place. Careful not to hit your own fingers. And just start it just like that. That way your nail is started, you can move your board around and you don't have to hold your nail. So then you put it in place, just like that. Give it a few good taps until you can feel it in the meat. Make sure you're straight with this board here, so you're on the edge. And then once you're in there, tap it all the way in, tight. You want to make sure you hit it a couple times, even if the head is even with the wood, just to sink it a little bit. Then you repeat those steps. Solid on that end. Now this is a little bit more tricky over here since we're not nailing straight down. You've got to take your nail and put it at an angle. And the trick is you got to get it started so that you can hold it like that, and then you got to give it a few good taps. And you can tell right there that it's hitting the wood now. So once you get to that point, tap it in, and it's tight. And then you just have to add however many nails you need to add to make it tight.